It's a shiur on Tefila. We got to the Tachanun of Monday and Thursday. We talked about the Hurachum. Now we're going to start a new section in the Hurachum. After Hurachum, and you Hashem, our God, that you took out Mitzrayim, be a chazaka with strong hand. And He created the name for yourself until this day. We sinned and we have acted wickedly. Now, this tefillah, where does it come from? Where is the source of the tefillah? This tefillah is tefillah of Daniel Hanavi. After the Churban Betamikdash, Daniel was a Navi that saw the Churban. And after the Churban, first he accepted the din of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, the decree of Hashem, like every Jew. Every Jew, whatever that happens to him, the first and the most important thing is to accept that it's from Hashem. To be mekabel the gezerah of Hashem, the decree of Hashem. And that is the emunah, that is Shema Israel that we say, that's acceptance of Malchut of Hashem. In other words, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, everything comes from Him. Whatever that happens. Even the Churban Bet HaMikdash, losing Bet HaMikdash, Daniel Hanavi accepted the decree of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and he said, you are right, you are justice. Whatever that you did, they deserve. And after that, he makes a tefillah. And that's the tefillah that we're going to say every day on Monday and Thursday, that he asked HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Hashem should forgive the Avonot of Israel. And all of the focal point of the davening is that should not be disgraced. The name of Hashem should not be disgraced. We sinned, we caused that, like a father that has a company. Very famous company, but he knows, and it's very famous, and that's a very beautiful job. And everybody loves that company. He gives over to his son, and his son is not doing proper act. He's not conducting it well. And he does a lot of things wrong. And the company goes down and down. First of all, he makes the father to lose money. Second of all, he loses himself. Then he damaged the fame of the father. Father was a very famous person, very honest person. Everybody loved the company and the father. Now people say, "Oh, that's the company, that's the father." No, because this son is representing the father. Whatever that he does, they put the name of the father. Now, HaKadosh Baruch Hu did nisim for Bahar Israel. He took them out of Israel. Everybody saw that Hashem is Hashem, Elokei Israel. Now, whatever that the Jews do, does impact on the fame of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, expression of Hashem, and that's not true Hashem. One of the deepest pain that this son should have, if he's really integral, if he's honest and has integrity, deepest pain should have what the damage that he created for the father. And that damage should bother him. The father was so nice to him, not only he didn't obey the father, not only he didn't promote the father, he damaged the father, he damaged his name and fame. Now, the Hal Israel have a very important role, that Daniel and Navi is saying. With this Churban, we are responsible for the name of Hashem. Therefore, he says that the one that you made your name, Hashem, now please get back, return back your anger and your wrath from Yerushalayim HaKodesh, from Yerushalayim, the month of the holy month. Because we are our sin and the sins of our father, Yerushalayim and your children being scorned around us. Now, Hashem, listen to our tefillah and to our begging. And you enlight, shine your face to the Bet HaMikdash that is destroyed. Leman Hashem, because of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, because of Hashem. Hatte, please listen. Open your eyes and see our desolation and the city that's called your name on it. In other words, the city that your name is called on. You are saying that everything is because of you, not because of us, because of you. That's a very important point. Here we're saying, it's not because of our righteousness that we are setting forth our prayers to you. We are not coming to tell you, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, no, we did so many mitzvot, we did so many good deeds. Please do something because of our mitzvot. That's not the way to go to court with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. In the court system on earth, you have to bring more proof and more evidence that you did right, your justice. And that's the way that our mentality is. But by HaKadosh Baruch Hu, doesn't work like that. HaKadosh Baruch Hu, whatever that we do, it's not enough. Hashem is the Babul of these things. And to be very honest, we are not somebody rebels against the king, his punishment is clear. He doesn't deserve to live anymore. He's king. King did nothing, He didn't create him, nothing. But Hashem created us. Go against him is very bad. It's terrible. Therefore, we are saying that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is not because of our righteousness that we are sending forth our praise to you. We are relying on your abundant compassion, great compassion that you have. Please, Hashem, listen, forgive, and don't delay because of you. Because your name is called upon your city and your nation. Show us a good time and gather all of us from our back and forth. Because all of the goyim should recognize Hashem Avinu, you are a father, and we are clay, we are like a clay, and you molder. And we are your Messiah. Therefore, Rahman Udanas, HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Therefore, all of the point of the Tefila is that person should realize the consequence of his act, consequence of what you are doing. That's not that Hanavi is pointing out. In other words, the Churban happened. It's not a historical fact. It's not something that happened because of the fiction or because of political reasons or this. It's all because of our deed. And we have to take responsibility that now that the name of Hashem is being disgraced, we are cause of it. And we daven to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Hashem, please forgive us. And because of your sake of your name, because of your name should be disgraced, because it's painful for us. That's the point that you have to get in this tefillah. You have to come to this point that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is painful for us, that we caused that, and we made disgrace of your name. Your name should be with the kavod, with honor, with the majesty, and everything is gone because of us. That's painful for us. We want to HaKadosh Baruch Hu do something about it, and that is what Daniel Hanavi daven at the time of the Churban of Tamidash, as we say every Monday and Thursday.